On the island of Hawaii, it's the wind that's been the biggest factor in power outages and fallen trees. Our photographer came across a 3-vehicle crash at an intersection in Kau where the traffic lights were out. There were power outages across the island, including more than 8,000 in the Hilo area and more than 3,000 customers without electricity in Puna and Kau. Hawaii County opened these 7 emergency shelters and says additional shelters will be opened as needed. All county campsites are also closed, along with numerous facilities, and residents are urged to sign up for civil defense alerts on the county website. Maui